Go to Bekeetv, okay? There's this airdrop called Atok Airdrop, okay? You start any real tokens and how to withdraw it. I'm going to teach you about it, okay? So today, most of you might have heard about it and most of you have not. It's a centralized project and also a decentralized project, okay? So right now, all you have to do is, if you want to register for this project, just click on the referral link I'm going to drop via this video, okay, to take you to where you download. Once you download, you fill your email and you sign up, okay? A code will be sent to your email, and after that, once you are successful, you get this what is showing now. This is what you are going to get. You are going to receive a reward for it, okay? So now I'm going to claim that reward. The reward for new account registration, this is it, 10 Atok. So I'm going to click on collect. So this is how the dashboards look like, okay? So if you look above, you're going to see manage. So let's tap on manage. So under manage, you see you're going to see transfer, you're going to see receive, and you're going to see scan. Now if you click on transfer, let's click on it. So this is where you are going to receive. Transfer is where you are going to transfer your Atok token out to Trust Wallet or any of the wallets, okay? Then let's go back. So the next one you are going to see is what? Receive. So you can receive their NFTs and also resell it. So over here you're going to see check-in. So this is daily check-in. You have to check in every day. So I'm going to click on check-in right now. Allow. So you can see 3 hours 59. Okay. I think within 4 hours check-in. Okay, 4 hours check-in. That's what we are going to do here. So this is avatar. So you can use any avatar of your choice, okay? So let's go back. So this is NFT redeem, okay? So you can use it to buy any item over here. For now I just have one item and it's free. All right, let me check store. Wow, okay. So these are it. You can use your NFT to purchase any of this. Let's go back. Okay, now some may be asking, what do we actually do to earn? What are the tasks to do to earn from this airdrop? So all you have to do is to click. Look at this middle button here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see videos, you're going to see pictures, articles, check-in at the location, visit website. I think for now, no tax available for now. Okay, let's go back. Then over here, game. This is another tax. You click on this game pad. So this is it. Okay, coming soon. This is the tax you're going to be doing. Let me go back. So let's check what is this. Okay, this is the announcement portal. Okay, you can always come here for announcements. Okay, now these are referrals program. So if you want to get your referral link, you can come here and you can click on referral codes. So right now, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, join our Telegram community and also WhatsApp community, because I'm going to be posting it down the description of this video. Thank you as you join the community.